Hello everyone, welcome to Flying Skies 1. How are you all doing? This video is regarding the purchase of men flip-flops from shopclues. If any of you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and watch this video till the end. I've made videos on unboxing. You can go to my channel and click on playlist unboxing to watch them. Here you see men flip-flops. It's made of rubber material. It's a 3 combo pack. You'll be getting 3 pairs of different colors, and you can pair it with your casual wear, work wear, college wear or party wear. You can do walking or running easily with all ease and comfort all the day long. And you see here the price is very less. I got it for 118 rupees. The actual price is 699 rupees and the shopclues price is 176 rupees. You can apply a pre-pay 20 while you check out when you purchase 101 rupees products. If anything is wrong with the product, being got defective or doesn't fit your size, you can happily go for a replacement of the product within 10 days of order delivery, and you can get discount to 24 rupees by sharing this product to your friends on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe Flying Skies 1. Keep smiling always.